Hello guys, and welcome back to today's video. My name is Zig, the programming guy. In today's video guys, I want to talk about how to become a VIP on Boloup Livestream App. Alright, it's very easy, so let's get started. First step you have to take guys is of course open your Boloup Livestream app and log into your account. Next thing you have to do guys is to look at the bottom right corner. You find this me icon right there. Click on it. So once you click on it, from here you're going to find this VIP option here. Go ahead and select it. Once that is selected, you're going to find all the VIP tiers on the app. Alright, so we have VIP 1, and as you can see right here, you can see the exclusive privileges it comes with. Alright, so you get to have honorary title, colored username, coins return, exclusive seats, exclusive emoji, panel camera, VIP translator. Alright, so these are the exclusive privileges you are going to get if you join this VIP 1. For the VIP 2, you can see as well, these are the privileges you get, and it goes on and on and on, just like that, till you get to the VIP 4. Right, so if you want to join any of these VIP, all you have to do is to activate. How can you do that? You just have to click on this activate button right here. So go ahead, click on that, and you can see you have to purchase these with coin. All right, you have to activate it with coin. Right, so if you don't have sufficient coin, you can't be able to join the VIP. And if you look right here, you find the required coins to activate this VIP. For the VIP 1, you need 120,000 coins. For the VIP 2, you need 450,000 coins, and for the VIP 3, you need 900,000 coins, and lastly for the VIP 4, you need 1.5 million coins. Okay, so once you have sufficient coin in your balance, just go ahead and click on this activate button. Then you can become a VIP on the app. Alright, so that's it guys on how to become a VIP on the Boloup Livestream app. Hope this guide was helpful. If it was, give this video a thumbs up and equally subscribe to get more helpful tips like this. Thanks for watching guys.